For delicious beef stew, simply follow these steps. First, cut the beef brisket into uniform small pieces. Blanch the beef in cold water with scallion and ginger. Add a spoon of cooking wine to remove the gamey taste. Skim off the blood foam after boiling. Then take out the beef brisket. Heat oil in a pan. Stir-fry scallion, ginger, sticky chili bean sauce until fragrant. Add the beef brisket. Stir-fry until fragrant and colored. Add Angelica de Eureka, cinnamon, star anise, bay leaves, a few dried chili peppers, a spoon of light soy sauce, a bit of dark soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and pour in leftover beer to stir-fry. Pour water just enough to cover the beef. Simmer covered for half an hour, then add potatoes, season with salt and chicken bouillon. Simmer for another 15 minutes. Finally, sprinkle some cilantro on top before serving. This simmered beef brisket is tender, flavorful, and goes really well with rice. It's absolutely delicious. Go ahead and give it a try.